How often do you walk into a room and turn on the light without even thinking about it? In many homes, there's enough natural light during daylight hours that we don't even need electric light. If you choose the right window treatments that don't block out the light, you can even maximize that effect. Now, things like shades and blinds can be pulled almost completely out of the way, and even when they're closed for privacy, most still transmit some light through to the interior of your home. In fact, managing natural light is also a good way to help regulate your home's temperature without using any energy at all. During the daytime in winter, open up those blinds or shades, especially on the west or south facing windows, so the sun can help heat up the interior. At night, you can close them to retain some of that solar heat and the kind of heat generated by your furnace. In warm weather, that same solar heat gain can be a bad thing, adding a load to your air conditioner if you have one and making you a lot less comfortable if you don't have one. To remedy the situation, you can reverse the process we just talked about and close the blinds during the daytime, but then you lose the natural light and the view. Now, changing your windows to new ones with low-E coatings is one option, but honestly, it really doesn't fit with our green on a shoestring theme. But adding solar window film to your existing windows is a much less expensive way, and it offers similar results. Now, these films are applied to the inside of the glass, usually with a water-activated adhesive, but they work to block or filter the sun's rays coming through from the outside. That means a big reduction in solar heat gain without blocking or obstructing your view. Another really green way to solve this problem is to plant a shade tree adjacent to the south or west facing windows. If you choose a deciduous tree, the kind that lose their leaves in the winter, your windows will be shaded in the summer and free to collect the sun's warmth in winter.